Alright, y'all, good morning. It's early. I just woke up, alright. First thing I do when I wake up is I get up, and within my first 10 minutes, I'm drinking my tea. So I'm gonna go ahead and go make my tea, green tea or herbal tea, and I'm going to make a protein shake. High protein breakfast is the way to go. You can make your own protein shake, or I use Herbalife protein shake. But yeah, let's go. You got in our face. Cheers. So first thing first, have my tea first thing in the morning. Green tea will help you speed up your metabolism and get you to get that morning poop. Get that morning poop out first thing in the morning. So cheers. I'm gonna go ahead and make my protein shake, and I'll show y'all what I drink in a sec. Alright, so first thing in the morning, you want to have high protein breakfast because it's going to help you to not have so much cravings as you're going about your day. So if you don't like powdered shakes, you can literally just make your own protein shake from fruits and veggies, and I'll drop a recipe in the video. I just got back from Walmart and I'm really hungry, so I whipped up a quick kale salad. So basically what I have in this salad is some kale, I got some tuna, and I put one of the 100-calorie pack of nuts, sprinkled it in there with a little bit of salad dressing, and I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna eat this real quick. This is like, honestly, I could count this as a quick snack. But this is my salad dressing, alright? Free skinny girl salad dressing. Really good. Or you could just use some olive oil, really, on your salad. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm taking a little study break. So I just left campus, came back to my house. Actually, I went and got some lunch, stuff for lunch. I'm doing Fresh Kitchen. I don't know if you have this in your state, but we have this in Orlando. So it's some really good food. I'm gonna show you what I got. So this is the size of the plate. It's a good size plate. So I'm gonna show you what I get. So basically what I got was, so we have some sweet potatoes right here. So some healthy carbs. On the back right there is some kale. We got some kale slaw, some kale salad. This is grilled chicken, and then this is cauliflower mash. All right, so veggie, carbs, and then some nice chicken. Nice vegan sauce to top it off. And this, I believe, has some olive oil, some vinegar in it. So yeah, this is lunch. Be grubbing. All right, dinner time. So I'm making some dinner. I'm gonna make some trout with some sweet potatoes, some kale slaw, and a slice of avocado to balance out the meal. All right, so carbs, healthy fat, and protein, and green leafy veggies. So I'm gonna take you through the process, Chef Renzi with the pot, boys. First thing first, this is the type of oil I used to use. It's extra virgin olive oil. It's really good for you, but I stopped buying regular oil because of the calories. So check this out. 120 calories for regular oil when you could just get the cooking spray. Still extra virgin olive oil, but it's 0 calories. That's a good thing. So make the swap from cooking oil to cooking spray. Either way, they're both healthy for you. Extra virgin olive oil is good for you. So if you want to keep this, that's fine. But this is a good option too. So go add in some garlic. Season up my food. Disclaimer, this is not a cooking channel. I'll just show you all the vibes. Alright y'all, this is not a sponsored video. So anything I show you, this is really what I use. This is not some cap, alright? So cayenne pepper. You will lose belly fat. Make sure you're using cayenne pepper to season your food. Another good one is black pepper when you season your food. And make sure you got some of this in there. This isn't about belly fat, this is just overall health. Oregano is really good for like your overall health, keeping you like, it got antioxidants, it got that stuff that's like antibacterial. This stuff right here cures a lot of shit, so I always cook with it. And then I got me some garlic and herb sauce just to get some flavor. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If I had some Old Bay, I would throw it on there too, but I don't have no Old Bay. But these 3 things, these 3 things is a game changer. Make sure you have these when you cook it. Alright? Season up the food a little bit. This. Season it because I don't want it to be salty. Last time I cooked trout, it was salty. So I'll go easy on it. If I don't do trout, I do like salmon. I love salmon. And the whole reason behind it is you want to eat fatty fish. Fatty fish is going to help you to burn fat. So fatty fish burns fat. So that's why you want to eat this as your protein for like dinner. And especially like if you want to lose belly fat, this your best. This is your best thing. I'm telling you, like this shit right here, get you right. Alright, so some oregano. I'm gonna throw this in the pot. Look, don't judge my cooking skills, alright? This is like a basic college. Yeah. Follow. We're gonna leave that to cook for a little bit, alright? So we're gonna let the food cook for a little bit and I'll show you guys finished product. I'll show you. Hello. So it is dinner time and I'm gonna show you what I'm having for dinner. I whipped this up just now in the kitchen, as you can see. Oh, I'm being extra. Alright, so we have some sweet potatoes, right? Healthy carbs. Really good for losing belly fat because it keeps you full number one. And sweet potato is really good because it has a lot of fiber. It keeps you full for a longer period of time, and it's healthy. Lots of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, all of the good stuff for your body. You want to lose belly fat? This your baby right here. Then I have me some beautiful kale slaw. All right, majority of your plate needs to be veggies when it comes to losing weight. When it comes to losing belly fat, veggies, green leafy veggies, can't live without them. So that's why I have right here, half of my plate is my kale salad, kale, and then I have some avocado on top. Avocado is healthy fat. Always have some healthy fat in your meals. All right, avocado, olive oil. You can put some olive oil on top of it. That's some healthy fat. Last thing I have in here, some salmon. Why I keep saying salmon? Some trout. All right. You can clearly see the portion sizes. All right. Half the plate veggies, half a little bit of carbs, and this is my trout. Fatty fish is your bestie. Fatty fish burns fat, right? And you get in a good amount of protein. This is what a balanced meal looks like for someone who wants to lose fat. If you don't want to eat some kale, I would put some broccoli or some asparagus in there and eat that as my veggie. You can mix it up. Spinach is good too for a salad. Okay, and then this is some sriracha sauce so it's not that dry, you know what I'm saying? Put a little sriracha sauce on it. Use hot sauce. Hot sauce don't really have any calories, so just go to town with it. Don't go crazy with it, but that's what you want to eat because that's what you want to put on your food. Sometimes you don't want to go for the ketchup because some ketchup has corn syrup in it, but there's some organic ketchup that doesn't have the corn syrup, and you can use that too. So there you go. Look at the back of your ketchup. If it got corn syrup, don't buy it. So yeah, this is what I eat in a day, and to lose belly fat. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I'll make them. Share this with a friend who's on their journey. And leave tips in the comments for all the other women who need some help. Like, we share the knowledge. This is a community we're building here. So share the knowledge. If you want me to do another what I eat in a day, I'll do it. And let's just keep getting results. Subscribe to Quiz.